Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Elevate Styles. I am Treasure and I am here with another review for you. I hope that everybody is staying safe and still slaying during this isolation. But today we are going to be doing a lace wig from Lace and Lace. But we're going to be reviewing this today, Lace and Lace. This is a 5-inch parting wig, shake and go. This is by Freetress. So today this one is supposed to be an invisible HD lace. So let me just go ahead and get into this. So her name is Normani. That name is actually really pretty. Normani, like the singer. So this is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And this is going to be an RH caramel creamy BL. I'm not sure what the abbreviations are, but we will find out in a minute. So this is what she looks like. There you go. It has a brown root on it, and it's like extremely blonde. It's giving me like 613 vibes, but it also has like some golden highlights in it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it does. So this is the lace all the way around. It is ear to ear. And the inside, it does have 2 tuck combs, but like really small, smaller than I've ever seen them. And then one in the back, along with the adjustable straps. I am going to go ahead and install this one, okay? But I'm going to try it on just so we can get an idea of what it looks like. Oh, whoa, hold on. Hold on, because I underestimated this wig, okay? This one is so pretty. Yes, look at this. It's giving me life. Y'all know I'm a behind the ear kind of girl. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck that right behind my ear, just so y'all can get an idea of what it looks like. How cute is that? So I am going to get started with my install. I am going to be using some Got to Be gel. Not a lot, just a little bit, because I don't never use a lot. Some tinting spray. If you don't have tinting spray, you can use your concealer. You can use your foundation, whatever you want to use. It's really up to you what you want to use. And I'm also going to use a good pair of scissors. I'm going to be using edge control along with an edge control brush. These are optional, so they're not mandatory. So if you don't want to use them, you do not have to use them. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is take that off. I know my head is back to being like teeny tiny. I go ahead and cut the lace like right in the middle. Let me just get so you guys can see. I cut it straight down the middle first, and then I go ahead and just cut the lace off. Because this wig has baby hairs on it, you want to push the baby hairs back before cutting the lace, because you don't want to cut those off. And I am cutting in zigzags simply because I do not want a straight line. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cut the lace off camera just because it's easier for me. It's just a little harder to cut on camera. So this is what it's looking like. So next step I do is I turn the wig inside out. I mean, because the wig is blonde, you barely can see the lace on it, but for me, I needed to match my skin color. Again, if you do not have a tint spray, you can go ahead and use your concealer. You can go ahead and use your makeup, whatever you have. Use what you have, girl. Don't go out of the way and get something that you don't already have. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my part and lightly spray all the way around the wig, because I don't want to get it on the blonde, you know. Alright, so I've reached my desired color. It is a dry spray, but just for my sanity, I go ahead and shake it just a little more. So I'm going to flip it back inside out and just give you an idea. See, it looks darker. Now, if you don't own, if you own a wig brush, that's fine, but I highly suggest this brush. Like, I stand by this brush. It has brought back so many of my synthetic wigs that my normal wig brush couldn't do. I don't know if it's the metal teeth, what it is, but investing is about $2-3. Can't go wrong. What I do is I put the gel on my hair. I'm not a professional, okay? I know professionals, they melt down the cap and, you know, outline the hairline and do all that crazy stuff. So I'm just gonna put my gel right around my hairline, girl. So I'm just gonna wipe this in. Well, not wipe it, but I'm like rubbing it backwards, like into my hairline. Again, my hair is protected underneath of the stocking cap, so that is the goal. Even though you wear wigs, make sure that you protect your hair. I use the yellow Got to Be gel because it is stickier and it tacks faster than the clear one. So I'm just gonna put this back on. I do not put it all the way on because I have to pull it forward to make sure that it's on the hairline where it's supposed to be at, like as you can see. So I don't want to adjust it on the glue. And that was it. Look how quick I put that on. Hold on, I don't even know about these baby hairs. So remember when I said it was optional for the baby hairs? My option is a no. Yours can be a yes if you are really, really into baby hairs. But for this look here, I'm not gonna use it. And I'm gonna put this hair behind my ear because I love it. Okay. This is so cute, and it was a good color choice, must admit. So this is how it's looking in the back. This one is definitely a go. It's definitely a go. So I am going to go ahead and add the link down below for this one, and it's going to take you right over to the store so you can get this one in your collection. This one does come in other colors, so if you're not like a big fan of the bright blonde like I have on, they do have natural colors 1B. They do have some fun colors. So once you go over here and click, it's going to show you everything you need. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to ask me because I will be answering. So until next time, I was waiting for y'all to say, I am Treasure. I am Treasure, and I will see you on the next review. Bye.